Hello, it's Prince. Right now, I'm here sa Victory Liner Baguio Terminal kasi I'm going to attend the Samsung Galaxy Campus Ambassador Takeover event.
Hello, Brad.
Welcome to the launch of Galaxy Campus Batch 2.
Pero kapag nakapag-load ka ng 300,
Iba ba ako? Pasok na kami. Thank you.
Ambassadors, welcome to the Samsung Galaxy Campus Batch 2 Kickoff.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the launch of Galaxy Campus Batch 2. We hope you are excited as we are to kick off the second batch of this program we are so very proud of.
6,611 applications. That's double of last batch's number. And after several days of evaluation, we finally welcome the top 100 students now here with us today. Hi! Welcome again, everyone!
Hey everyone! Hello! It's so nice to be here. I love giving talks to students, kaya I jumped at the chance when Samsung asked me, of course, as a proud Team Galaxy. Tulad ninyo, welcome to all our ambassadors.
Being in this selective program was a huge honor for me, and it is for you guys as well. But not everything was glitz and glamour.
Everyone, please welcome the owner of Hiraya Pilipina, Miss Cleo Loque.
You're so pretty!
Na-inspire ako ng isang local brand. It's called Morena the Label. It was started by Aline Bernos. They were selling t-shirts that said like Morena Empowerment. And that was something really close to my heart. So I started Hiraya Pilipina with a similar mission, which is for inclusivity, female empowerment, self-empowerment.
Yes po.
pa yung marker ninyo. Okay? So I'll count 3 to 1, indicating the word that you're gonna form. Ang apoy na hindi naubos. When used in a sentence, you can say, nag-a-black na ang damdamin para sa bayan. What is this word? 3, 2, 1, go! Sino yung nauna? This side. Okay. What is the word?
Right now, we are filming for our mission.
Ay, yung mga news reporters sa TikTok.
Dalawa yung phone natin. Parang
We're now going sa hotel.
charis sila.
Ay, number 4!
Wag, i-delete. Please lang.
So we're now going home. I'm going home? No, actually we're going to Grand Hyatt Hotel. Doon na kami mag-stay. Mag-check in na kami. Say hi, hello! And
Hello,
Raj.
I'm LO.
I'm here sa front seat kasi I want to see yung madadaanan namin. Excited! Ay, okay po. Thank you po. We're here na sa Grand Hyatt. Magpupunta lang kami sa room. I already have our key card. Waiting ko na lang yung ka-roommate ko. Okay, thank you so much, ate. So, 37th floor pala kami. So, dito na. I'm looking now for our room. And hopefully, pag nahanap ko na is makapag-dress na kami because I'm too tired. Hindi ako nakakuha ng enough sleep. This is... Oh, okay, found it. Mamaya na ako mag-room tour kasi di talaga ako nakatulog nung biyahe. So, I'll rest muna. Bye!
Wait lang, loading files.
Right now, pupunta ako ng 60th floor kasi magdi-dinner na kami and after that, we will have our socials night. Bye! See you there! So, we're here sa lobby. Nag-wait lang kami. Nakakuha na ako ng stop. And mag-wait na lang kami para pumunta sa 60th floor. Welcome po! Thank you po! Okay. We're here sa The Pick and they're offering alcoholic drinks but it's haram, bawal uminom. Kaya I'll have iced tea lang. Iced tea girly.
Order ka na. Ang maganda yung partner na something yung favorite very Samsung.
All have some fun, but not too much
Walang
fun.
rice.
So yeah, we'll see you guys at the
Wala po, pang rice for the buffalo wings.